Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you something what's happened to me. I hope it will never happen to you, but in any case, maybe it will be helpful for you to know. I'm happy that this thing has happened to me at home. So I wasn't somewhere riding, so this was good. Basically, this is a key switch. So basically you starting your bike with this device. Disassemble because I already disassembled to see what's actually happened and why it wasn't working. Basically when I in the morning it wasn't anything. I wasn't working on the key switch or stuff like that. I just came in the morning, put the key into the switch. It wasn't tuning like now. Yeah, it wasn't tuning at all. So I couldn't just a second, put it in the back. I wasn't able to start the bike. I disabled and I found the problem. So basically this little thing, you can see it. So this is very interesting. It's like a mechanical transmitting device. So basically when you're turning, it's turn the switch here. You see it's like a half a moon shape. Oh. And it's turning this solenoid or anyway, electronic thing, so bike actually know that you turn it now and it has to switch it on. So this device actually, wait a second, I'll show you. Now it's brake, and this shape, so this piece, it's actually is gone. I glued it in and actually I clean it now. So and this thing and this going inside here. Yep. So now you can able to turn it. Yep. When you want to open your boot or you want to open the lid for the petrol, so it's going inside here, and you can see it's turning easily. So it's have another device. I'll show you later on how when I'll install it together how it's working. So basically, yeah, I ordered a new one, and I'll change it later on. But until that, I'll try to use it. I hope it will last for some days. Yep. So let's proceed with installation together. Yeah. So this is actually locking device. It was broken as well. So it's coming something like that inside. So this piece is broken, and top is going with this spring. Yeah, something like that. But I'll not use it anymore. Okay. This device, it's actually opening both, depends which way you're turning it. It's opening the boot and full cover. So I'm going inside this way. When turning clockwise, and it's switch on position, so you cannot take the key 1 back. Next position, it's when you switch off, you can take the key off, and the next position, it's when you actually lock your steering wheel. So we need to put in the neutral position, so it's when you can take the key out and install it in this way. You can see that recess here, so it's going with this recess as well, so it's going in this way. So I hope they'll meet the right position there. Oh, look at that, it's gone perfectly. Let me open, switch it on. Right. Okay, in this situation you have this piece that's going on the top and locking the key barrel inside the casing. 1 second. Ten. Okay, now it's locked. Let's take the key off. Okay, now let's see if it's actual whole system is working. So inserting the key and turning. Okay, looks like, I'm not sure. I think it's full. No, let's break. Yeah, so it will not work. Crap. After trying to glue it up, glue it for 2 times this existing piece, which was broken, so I give up. So I use this kind of collar, 3/8 of an inch. It was similar size to existing piece, so it's similar diameter or diameter and length. So I pick it up and cut it myself. I use some drills and other stuff to do the shape inside the shape of the barrel. So I cut the recess on top as well, so the key barrel rod can go inside and turn when you want to open the boot and cover of the petrol lid. So now I proceed with installation again. So I installed this piece. I haven't installed that piece for the locking mechanism. So do not give any, because it's broken anyway. I don't want to use and create more force there. So with new piece, I will see it later. I apologize, I'm not sure what's happened to my camera, so it's starting to film it this way. So basically we proceed with installation, which was shown earlier. You have to add some extra lubricant inside. So here we're installing the left 2 pieces of the assembly, which is going on top of the installation in the cover. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. And we'll proceed with trying the whole assembly if it's working or not.